Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Reddit no sound guys, as well as provide you guys with a few solutions to the problems that you might be having. So with that being said guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. So right now guys, you guys can see that there is a video on my screen right now. Now you guys can see at the bottom right hand corner of the video, the sound icon says that sound is on guys. Now if you go ahead and press it, the sound would be off. Now usually people come across this and they don't know that the sound icon is actually right here. So if you actually go ahead and click it, it will actually activate the sound for you. Now basically that is actually one of the solutions guys, and a couple of problems that people actually do come across. So that's pretty much the solution to that problem guys. Now basically for the second solution guys, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're just going to want to make sure your volume is all the way up guys when you're actually on the video. Now you guys can see right here, it automatically enables the sound for me as soon as I put the volume up guys. So basically let's go up to this other video right here, and it actually enables the sound automatically when the volume is all the way up. So make sure you guys actually put your volume all the way up and it will actually turn on the sound for you guys. So that's pretty much how you guys go ahead and enable Reddit with no sound guys. You enable the sound on Reddit. So basically hopefully that fixes your Reddit no sound problem guys. And if you guys haven't already, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel guys. And I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.